what the markets are indicating right now. Kunal, few signs of a rebound / consolidation last week. Can it sustain and can it move up further?
Yeah, I think it's looking like a very different market because we were very accustomed to the kind of volatility what we'd seen earlier. Mid caps, small caps being thrashed all over the place. But I think we're seeing that change of texture coming in the last 3 or 4 days of the market's bounce. Even though the indices are just about taking some bit of time to consolidate at this 20 to 500 mark, but then the market breadth has started to improve significantly. We've seen many of the stocks. There was a point where when we were sub 22,000 mark, almost 90 to 94% of the stocks in the mid cap and the small cap, they were below their 20, 50 and their 100 moving averages. That ratio has bettered significantly. We are almost at 77, 78% on an average for the stocks. So, which means that the market breadth has started to improve, not just the large cap names which have started to look attractive. Sector trends are starting to look a lot more visible because earlier it was just banking, financials which were doing pretty well. Now you have the metal stocks which are looking strong. Specialty chemicals as a space is looking attractive. So there are those individual pockets of sector trends which have started to emerge. Stocks are breaking past about their 50 and the 200 moving averages. So all of that I think is auguring very well for the overall market texture. Wouldn't mind if the indices consolidate for the next couple of days, and if you just hang around to that 20 to 500 mark, say for the next couple of days, I would believe that given the context of the global asset classes, the dollar index, crude oil prices, etc., that would immediately invariably lead to a higher move for the indices. My expectation is 22,800 to 23,000 mark in this leg of a market rally.
Right. We've got Nooresh as well here. Nooresh, hi. Good Philip, led by metals. Do you think it's sustainable this week too?
So would expect it to go towards that 22,800 mark in the markets as such. Metals may not push the index, but the trend has changed for a lot of these names. We've seen a strong move across the metal basket. So structurally positive for the near term, as well as this could be a formation of a good base across the mid caps, small caps, as well as the large caps, given the recovery in the last 3-4 sessions.
Okay. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.